Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you D5 Render versus Blender. Best 3D rendering software. D5 Render or Blender, which is better 3D rendering software in 2025, it really depends on what you need. D5 Render is a real-time ray tracing tool built for architects, interior designers, and visualization pros. It delivers stunning photorealistic scenes quickly with drag and drop simplicity, live syncing with SketchUp and Revit, and an impressive lighting engine. However, it's Windows only, limited for animation or modeling, and its free version has restriction. Blender, on the other hand, is a free open source 3D creation suite that does it all: modeling, animation, rendering, even video editing. With Cycles and EEV, it balances quality and speed, and its huge community offers endless plugins and tutorials. The trade off: a steep learning curve and slower performance on weaker hardware. Bottom line, D5 Render is perfect for easy, professional architectural visualization, while Blender is the go-to for creators who want full control, versatility, and limitless creative freedom. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.